Hi guys, Stian from Spec Center Zurist. We have an engine here today. Customer was complaining about a knocking noise when driving and car misfiring. So upon our assessment, we found a hole in the block, like you can see here. So what happened there is a conrod shot straight through the block. And we also found that it was due to oil starvation and thick oil, not doing the services regularly, if you can say it's like that. But yeah, after that we replaced the engine. Car is driving fine now. Car is perfect condition whatsoever. Thank you.